Welcome to the channel General Studies IQ. Today in this video, I'll be discussing the current affairs of 29th April 2020, which will be useful for all competitive exams like SSC, PSC, railways, banking, etc. So keep watching, stay updated. Credit rating agency India Ratings and Research recently slashed India's GDP growth rate for financial year 2021 to -%. India Ratings and Research slashed India's GDP growth rate to 1.9%. Pitch Black 2020, a premier multilateral air combat training exercise between India and which of the following countries which has been cancelled recently. Pitch Black 2020 is a multilateral air combat training exercise between India and Australia, and it has been cancelled by Australia. Capital of Australia is Canberra. Prime Minister is Scott Morrison. Currency is Australian dollar. Jhuma Khatun recently banned for 4 years for failing dope test by World Anti-Doping Agency recently. She is related to which of the following sports? She is related to medium run. President of World Anti-Doping Agency is Witold Banka. Headquarters is in Montreal, Canada. Recently, a team of engineering students of which institute developed a low-cost mechanical ventilator, Ruder. This has been developed by IIT, the students of IIT Bombay, National Institute of Technology Srinagar, and the Islamic University of Science and Technology. So the correct answer is all of the above. James M. Bakes passed away recently. He was ex-chief of which of the following? He was ex-administrator of NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Agency. Current administrator is Jim Bridenstine. Headquarters is in Washington, D.C. Recently, Pakistan Cricket Board has banned which of the following cricketers for 3 years over corruption charges? Pakistan Cricket Board has banned Umar Akmal for 3 years over corruption charges. Chairman of Pakistan Cricket Board is Ehsan Mani. And the Prime Minister of Pakistan is Imran Khan. President is Arif Alvi. And the capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. World Day for Safety and Health at Work is observed on which of the following days? World Day for Safety and Health at Work is observed on 28th April. This year the theme for World Day for Safety and Health at Work is Stop the Pandemic, and it is being observed by International Labour Organization since 2003. Headquarters of International Labour Organization is in Geneva, Switzerland, and the President of International Labour Organization is Guy Ryder. Recently, World Health Organization in its map showed which part of India as a Chinese territory. World Health Organization in its map showed Ladakh as a Chinese territory. Headquarters of World Health Organization is in Geneva, Switzerland. Director General is Tedros Adhanom. Recently, which of the following countries announced to stop funding to World Health Organization? Recently, USA announced to stop funding to World Health Organization. Recently, Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh announced which of the following Northeast states become COVID-19 free. Dr. Jitendra Singh has announced that the state of Manipur, Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura are became COVID-19 free. So the correct answer is all of the above. Jitendra Singh is the Union Minister of Development of Northeastern Region and the Union Minister of Department of Atomic Energy and Space. Unique Identification Authority of India has recently permitted which of the following to provide Aadhaar updation facility to make Aadhaar updation easier for citizens. Unique Identification Authority of India permitted Common Service Center to provide other updation facility. Chief Executive Officer of Common Service Center is Dinesh Tyagi and headquarters is in New Delhi. Recently, Airtel partnered with which of the following to enhance its network capacity? Airtel partnered with Nokia to enhance its network capacity. Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Bharti Airtel is Gopal Vittal. President and Chief Executive Officer of Nokia is Rajiv Shuri. The foreign ministries of the BRICS nations are to discuss on measures to combat COVID-19 through video conferencing. Which country will host the meeting? This meeting will be hosted by Russia. And S. Jaishankar will represent India in the meeting. S. Jaishankar is the foreign minister of India. Recently, which of the following financial institutions approved $1.5 billion loan for India to fight COVID-19? $1.5 billion loan for India has been approved by ADB, Asian Development Bank. Headquarters of Asian Development Bank is in Manila, Philippines, and the president is Masatsugu Asakawa. Recently, Government of India established International Financial Services Center Authority. Where is the headquarters of the authority? The headquarters of International Financial Services Center Authority is in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.